My name is Udemba Promise from University of Nigeria, Nsukka. I'm in electrical engineering 300 level. And my reason of studying electrical engineering started from my father. My father is an electrical engineer but deals more in solar energy. So as he went on, I continued wondering, apart from solar energy, are there other better forms of renewable energy? So there was I had no other choice but to come into engineering, electrical especially, so as to be able to research, get other forms of renewable energy that can be able to support Nigeria in its electricity, because we know that Nigeria is really down in terms of power supply. So I believe that I can bring a change to the country, and also for other bigger countries out there to look onto us and then say, well, this country really has something.